Hi, Jordan. I hope everything is good. Today is Tuesday, June 2nd, and I thought that I would record a story and we could read it together. This is a science story that I picked. Excuse me. It's called Liquids. Everything is made of matter. Some matter is liquid matter. Water is a liquid. Liquid is a juice. Honey is a liquid. A liquid does not keep its own shape. A liquid takes the same shape as the container it's in. A liquid spreads out when it's not in a container. Oil in a tall, thin bottle has a tall, thin shape, like the bottle. Oil in a round, flat pan has a round, flat shape, like the pan. Oil that has spilled spreads out all over. A liquid can be hot or cold. Hot chocolate, gravy, soup are hot liquids. And then milk, that's this one right over here. And then juice, which is this one. You can see this is a juicer where you cut an orange in half and you squeeze the juice out of the orange by moving it around on top of the juicer, and you make fresh squeezed orange juice. Some people do that at home, but it takes a lot of orange juice. And soda are cold liquids, and this is soda. You can see the bubbles. A liquid can be thick or thin. Dish soap, syrup, and shampoo are liquids. They flow slowly. Water, lemonade, and fruit juice are thin liquids. They flow quickly. Liquids can change as their temperature changes. Some liquids will freeze when they get very cold. A liquid that freezes becomes a solid. Water is a liquid. It freezes into ice. Ice is a solid. So water can sometimes be a liquid or a solid. When it turns to ice, it's a solid. Some liquids will turn into a gas when they get very hot. Like they have a picture here of the sun heating up water on the ground, and the water kind of evaporates up and it's turning into a gas when it goes up. And you know what happens eventually if there's a lot of water, like over a lake or something, and it gets warm out with the sun, that's how clouds form. Water turns into steam when it gets hot, and steam is a gas. Scientists study liquids to learn more about them. They want to know what happens to liquids when you heat them up, cool them down, or mix them together. What would you like to know about liquids? Hmm, that kind of looks fun, what they're doing. When I was a kid, Jordan, I asked for like a science project kit. I think they still sell them, like maybe on Amazon or maybe even at Walmart or something. Um, and you could do different projects with it. My parents would watch me and help me to make sure that I didn't get hurt. But you can do a lot of cool things with different science projects, with liquids, with solids. Um, as you get older, they have ones where you use like um, batteries and make you power things and stuff like that, um, like light bulbs and other things. So if you're interested in like science stuff, um, you could always ask your parents if they might be able to get you a science kit for your birthday or Christmas or something. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the story. I'll try and record another one later this week. Okay? Enjoy the rest of your week. Take care, Jordan.